never get a Tacoma at 0%. You have to understand what I'm saying.
Maybe we will. Maybe they'll get with the times.
Okay, fine. I've never seen Toyota Tacomas go for 0%. So Chevy trucks, 0% offers are ridiculous. 72-month offers, ridiculous. So there's a lot of money to be saved.
I wonder why. As long as all
by
the
going
models
0%.
are the same,
What?
offer 0%. You gotta wonder, like, why do they choose specific models?
Well, they're not all the same, and they're not all selling the same. And it's to pump sales in those trucks or those types of SUV or car. Every edition that's lagging on sales after a year or 6 months or 8 months of their 2022s or 2023s lagging behind. Usually the reason why they're lagging behind lately is because car manufacturers are so out of date with what people actually can afford. So when you think that your car is worth this, just remember you have to get that for your vehicle or it sits there and goes stale. It's like weed. Once the weed is a year old, nobody wants to buy your year-old weed. Not only can you see it, it says 2023 all over it, 2022. Care if it's brand new or not. You should see, I'm not going to start naming car companies, but there's 0% offers on a bunch of different types of vehicles right now for 2023 that are still brand new that they didn't sell. It's almost 2025, you guys. So, but there's tons of 0% offers right now for leasing or buying cars and electric vehicles and trucks, all of them right now. So it's a great time to figure out your finances and then refit yourself into something at a 0% offer. As my wife pointed out, I think at 3%, roughly at about a $45,000-$50,000 price range, you're losing about $8 grand, $7-8 grand on, roughly speaking, but very close to this number, $7 or $8 grand. He's got a trailer. I don't even think his brake lights work, so
Or it is a emergency.
keep it this far from now on. So his brake lights work, but still, we're not riding trailers motors. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would buy if you had the option to buy a brand new vehicle. There's the Toyota Tacoma, and the next to it is the Chevy Silverado. Both are, I'll show you here. It's totally okay. If I was driving, I would ask both of them what they thought of their trucks. I definitely like this one. Take a look at that in the rear. That's the Toyota Tacoma right there. And it's got the hood on it. You know what I mean? The blower. I can't remember what it's called anymore. So there's the TRD 4x4 Sport.
That's nice.
Yeah, it is. It's got nice tires on it, so it's a good rim. So it's looks pretty slick. This is a Ford F-150 Platinum. What year do you think that is? 2012, 2010? And then the F-150 in front of it, 2018, 2019. Well, it's 2010 or 12. Some huge changes coming in Canada. I was trying to tell my wife, look at this. Look at that. Look at that cloud going straight up and down. Hey, it's not showing up on camera. What the? Can you guys see that on your screen? It's right above that lamp. Where's the... It's not even showing the lamp. Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh, look at there. There it is. Look at this. Straight up and down.